another video. Okay, y'all, so I am back with another video. As you guys can read by the title, it's how to make Bigo a full-time job. In this video, I'm going to be breaking down on how you can make Bigo a full-time job, how you can make Bigo actually work for you, how you finna get these coins, sis. So if you guys don't know what Bigo is, most people use this app to interact with friends, family, strangers they just met on the app. Also, it's good to use for broadcasting your talent. So if you're good at hair, you're good at makeup, you're good at singing, you're good at dancing, anything that you're good at, people will like to see talent overall. The viewers on your live streams is able to send you coins or gifts. Now with the coins and gifts, you can exchange those to real money, and you'll find that in your profile tab. You can get it sent to any account, any bank account, business account, whatever account you want your actual money to be sent to receive. You can do that. So the first way is being different. Be different. Don't try to go copy the next person and try to turn it. No. Be different. I'm not saying go get ideas from the next person, but you don't want to be doing the exact same thing as the next person. Make it different. Make it yours. Put a little spice to something. A lot of viewers on Bigo love to watch dramatic things, dancing, even drama. Like a lot of people who do drama content, they have a lot of viewers because people like the excitement. People want to, they don't want to come into a video where it's just boring and you're just looking at the camera, looking at you, looking at that. Make sure you're different on the app. Number 2, make sure you're using a good quality cell phone or iPad or whatever you're using. Make sure it's good quality. Make sure it's no glitching, no blurry, you can't really see. Using the old, the first iPhone that ever came out, now it's a little blurry. If you don't have a clear live, you will experience people unfollowing you, your followers dropping, your engagement dropping. You will experience that. Make sure your background is clear. Not saying your background has to be perfect, but don't want to have so much shit cluttered. Sorry, excuse my language. It's clear with things in the back. Make sure it's clean back there. Wherever you're showing, not saying it gotta be like you have to have a screen, a green screen, you have to have a backdrop. No, just make sure it's presentable in the back. Say if this was like a room I was in, I'll put like a little picture and a flower back there or whatever, just to make it look nice and cozy and clean. You don't want people to be like, oh, you a dirty person. But if that's how you're getting your views, that's how you're getting your views. But I'm just saying, a lot of people on Bigo like that cleanliness. They like to have a clear view of you. They like that. Number 3 is being consistent. Make sure you're freaking consistent. So by being consistent, you can do a live each day. You can break up your lives, 30 minutes here, up to how many hours you have to do that day. Or you can just do your whole 2-3 hours, whatever you're trying to do that day at that time. But make sure you're consistent with it. Make sure you have follow a schedule almost. Like, make sure, if you're going to be on there at a certain time, let your viewers know when to tune in, so then they know when to tune in. They know when to have their gifts ready. They know. Or if you're having a PK, make sure your viewers know. But I would just say make sure you have a set time. At least go on live around the same time you usually do, so the viewers know, like, oh yeah, it's 3 o'clock. Honeykayy's live. This is usually around the time Honeykayy's live. Let me go see what she's doing. They'll check up on you because they know that you're usually on live at this certain time. Just say be consistent. Make sure you at least do 1 live a day, so people, 1, won't forget about you, 2, know that you freaking still exist, and 3, have gifts ready for you. Like, and you just build that connection with your viewers and that friendship with your viewers. 4, I would say, I cannot stress this enough, sign up for all the events where you're gonna get rebate, or you're gonna get or they're gonna pay you just for showing up in that event. For example, PKs. Even if you win or lose, they still pay you because you have participated in that game. So they pay you participating beans. So who is free? Just because you showed up, did that live, that PK for what, 21 minutes, 30 minutes, or whatever. You just showed up, they give you them beans. Or you can even sign up for live houses. Live houses too. You show up, they give you what, 1,000 beans every time, and you literally can go there and talk about anything or whatever the topic may be. Sometimes they have Black Lives Matter lives. Sometimes they have makeup lives, dance lives. If you have talent and they're having a talent live house, go to that talent live house. Do anything. Even if you don't think you have talent, just be there. Talk to people. If you think your talent is just talking, talk to people. There are going to be people in there sending gifts. There's going to be people there want to interact with you, want to engage with you. But the most important thing is showing up. It's showing up, because one, you get them rebate beans, and you get them extra beans that the viewers that's in that live house right now send you. So free beans. Make sure you sign up for every time of the live houses. Don't skip a time, because you never know, you may not get that time, but the other time that you did sign up for, you may get. So I usually just sign up for the whole day, all the times, because I know one of those times I'll have. One of those times they'll set me up for it. But you want to make sure you look out for those times, because they can like set you up back to back to back. It depends. If that's how you're applying, sometimes they'll set you up the next day, or whatever. But you don't want to miss them, because you will not get your participation beans. 5. Make sure you join an agency. Why join an agency? A lot of people do have this question. Agencies help you set up for success. If you're with a good agency, if you're with a consistent agency, you don't have to rush into getting into an agency. Make sure that's an agency that fits for you. How you want to conduct your business, is your agency conducting business that way? So you got to be mindful of those things, just like as joining a family. Is they conducting business how you would want to see your business conducted? Understand, you're not only representing the family, you're representing yourself too. If you're going into a drama family, is that something you want to do? You have to think for yourself. If you like drama, go join a drama family. If you don't like drama, stay away from the drama families. Basically, in agencies, you have those leaders who's going to set you up for success. So any questions you have, ask them. It don't matter if it sounds dumb to you, and there's no dumb questions. Ask that question, because with agencies, if you succeed, they succeed. So of course they want to see you succeed, or want to help you succeed. Okay, next is kind of the same family that we was talking about before. Every family you join is not going to be a good family. Every family on Bingo is not a good family. And it's okay. You have to just take that and understand and learn your lessons from it. So you really want to make sure, if you into joining a family, because you do not have to. You do not have to rush. Make sure you do your research. Ask people about them if they know, some things about them. Ask them about them. What's their goals? What's their rules, regulations? How often do y'all meet up? Are y'all consistent? Are they not consistent? And do they conduct business the right way? Or if they don't conduct business the right way? Families is something you really, really, really want to sit down and actually go through it and check them out. Go to their live streams, check them out. Go to the other family members' live streams, check them out. The members, the manager, all of the leaders, go to their lives, check them out, see how you feel, what vibes you kind of get, and make your judgment from there. You don't have to rush into a family because someone told you to join a family. Someone told you to do this. Someone told you to do that. I'm telling you, I'm not that someone, but make sure you do the research on those families, because as soon as you join the app, families asking for you to join. Families want you to join. Recruiters want you to do this. Do what you want to do. Know how you feeling at that moment, and if you want to take that move, take that move. The more money you put into the app, the faster you're going to see your growth, the faster you're going to see bigger checks. It's just how it is. If you follow these steps, it's a higher chance you will put $0 into the app. Not putting money in, but leaving out with money. But if you want things to go a little faster, you don't have patience, you want to see big checks now, tomorrow. You join today, you want to see it tomorrow. You got to put in that work. You got to put in that work. You got to put in that money. I would say 700 and above. That's when you'll actually see some difference. You'll see your money coming back to you. A lot of people waste a lot of money in Bigo. Like, it goes down the drain. You have to be very smart, strategic. You have to know your next move. You have to build trust with the people. You know, you gotta learn who's for you and who's not for you. But a lot of people took that sacrifice and they came out making even more what they put in, that $700 or $1,000. Now they're making guaranteed quotas every time, every month, higher than what they put in. It can be done. You just have to do it with the right people, the people that you can trust, the people that you can learn from. So make sure you choose your agency wisely, who know how to work their numbers, who know how to do the system and everything like that. But that's all I have for you guys today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on my video. If you have any video suggestions, make sure you leave it in the comment section below. And if you're not following me on Instagram, make sure you go to my Instagram right now and go follow your girl at Honeykayy, and that's double Y's. And make sure that bell is on so you know when your girl is uploading. And I'm out.